Hey everyone, welcome back to Think in English, the podcast. This is episode 55, and I'm your host, Lily. Today, we're diving into something super fun, talking about celebrations and birthdays. Imagine this. You're at a party, balloons everywhere, cake on the table, and everyone's laughing. But how do you chat about it in English? That's what we'll explore today with real-life conversations. And joining me, as always, is my awesome co-host, Ben.
Hi, Lily. Hi, listeners. Yeah, celebrations and birthdays are the best. Remember that time I forgot my own birthday? True story. But don't worry, folks. Today we'll make sure you never forget the words for these happy moments. We're keeping it simple for A2, B1 levels with lots of repeats to help you remember. Let's jump in.
Totally, Ben. Let's start with the basics. What do we say when it's someone's birthday? Happy birthday, right? Happy birthday. Say it with me. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Yeah, that's the classic. And if it's a big one, like turning 30, we might say, Happy 30th birthday, or many happy returns. Many happy returns means wishing more good birthdays in the future. Many happy returns.
Good one, Ben. Now, imagine you're planning a birthday party. What do you need? Invitations. You could say, I'm sending out invitations. Invitations are those cards or messages asking people to come. Invitations.
Exactly. And don't forget the cake. We need a birthday cake with candles. Candles, those little sticks you light on top. Candles. Blow out the candles and make a wish. Make a wish, that's when you think of something you want while blowing. Make a wish.
Then, last time I made a wish, I wished for no more bad jokes from you. Just kidding. Okay, listeners, repeat after us. Blow out the candles. Blow out the candles.
Blow out the candles. And then everyone sings, Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, the famous song. We sing it slowly. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear name. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, plug in the name there. Now, what about gifts? I got you a present. Present means gift. Present. Or what did you get for your birthday? What did you get?
What did you get? Great question. I once got socks. Socks. Not exciting, but useful. For bigger celebrations like New Year's Eve, we say Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year! And fireworks. Let's watch the fireworks. Fireworks are those colorful explosions in the sky. Fireworks. Boom. Repeat. Fireworks.
Fireworks. Yeah, celebrations often have food too. Pass the snacks. Snacks, small foods like chips or nuts. Snacks.
Snacks and drinks. Cheers. Cheers means toasting with glasses. Cheers. Clink. Say it. Cheers.
Cheers. Now let's role play a real-life conversation. Pretend it's my birthday, Lily.
Okay. Happy birthday, Ben. How old are you turning?
Thanks. I'm turning 28. Turning, that means becoming that age. Turning 28.
Turning 28. Wow, you're getting old. What are you doing to celebrate?
Celebrate, to have fun for a special day. Celebrate.
I'm having a party with friends. Party.
Party, sounds fun. Did you send invitations?
Yes, invitations to 20 people. Invitations.
And cake, don't forget the cake.
Of course, a big chocolate cake with candles. Candles.
Candles. I'll bring a present. What do you want?
Anything. Maybe a new book. Present.
Present. Okay, see you there. Happy birthday again.
Thanks. Happy birthday. Whew, that was easy. Listeners, try that at home. Repeat the key phrases. Happy birthday, turning age, celebrate, invitations, cake, candles, present.
Happy birthday, turning age, celebrate, invitations, cake, candles, present. Great job repeating. Now let's talk about other celebrations, like weddings. Congratulations on your wedding. Wedding, when two people get married. Wedding.
Wedding. And we say best wishes. Best wishes.
Best wishes. At weddings, there's often a toast. Let's make a toast to the happy couple. Toast, raising glasses to wish well. Toast.
Toast to the happy couple, the bride and groom, happy couple.
Happy couple. And dancing. Let's dance. Dance.
Dance. Haha, Lily, you dance like a chicken. Just joking. Now, what about holidays? Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. And gifts under the tree. Open your gift. Gift.
Gift. Or Easter. Happy Easter. Happy Easter. With eggs. Hunt for Easter eggs. Easter eggs.
Easter eggs. Fun for kids. Repeat, Merry Christmas, Happy Easter.
Merry Christmas, Happy Easter. Good. Now, anniversaries. Happy anniversary. Anniversary. Yearly celebration of something like marriage. Anniversary.
Anniversary. It's our 10th anniversary. 10th anniversary.
10th anniversary. We might go out for dinner. Let's go to a restaurant. Restaurant.
Restaurant. And say, cheers to us. Cheers.
Cheers. Now, let's do another conversation. Imagine it's New Year's Eve.
Okay, Happy New Year almost, Ben.
Happy New Year. What are your resolutions?
Resolutions, plans for the new year. Resolutions, like exercise more. Exercise.
Exercise. Mine is to eat less cake. Haha, but I love cake.
Cake. At midnight, we count down. 10, 9, 8. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Then hugs and fireworks.
Fireworks. Boom. That was fun. Keywords, Happy New Year, resolutions, countdown, fireworks.
Happy New Year, resolutions, countdown, fireworks. Awesome. Let's think about cultural celebrations like Halloween, trick or treat, trick or treat.
Trick or treat. Costumes. What costume are you wearing? Costume.
Costume. I'm a ghost. Boo. Haha.
Haha, scary. Or Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. With turkey. Turkey.
Turkey. Pass the turkey and say what you're thankful for. Thankful.
Thankful. I'm thankful for this podcast. Repeat, trick or treat. Costume. Happy Thanksgiving. Turkey. Thankful.
Trick or treat, costume, happy Thanksgiving, turkey, thankful. Nice.
Now, birthdays. Again, what if it's a surprise party? Shh, it's a surprise. Surprise.
Surprise. Surprise. Happy birthday, everyone jumps out.
Happy birthday. And the person says, oh, I was so surprised. Surprised.
Surprised. Haha, then I'd surprise you with a pie in the face.
No way. Pie. Now, gifts wrapping. I wrapped the present. Wrapped, covered in paper. Wrapped.
Wrapped. With a bow. Bow.
Bow. Pretty. Let's roleplay a surprise.
Then come in the room.
Okay. Surprise! Happy birthday? Wait, it's not my birthday.
Haha, just practicing. Surprise, happy birthday, wrapped present.
Surprise, happy birthday, wrapped present. Fun.
Celebrations make life happy. What about graduations? Congratulations on graduating. Graduating, finishing school, graduating.
Graduating. Throw your cap in the air. Cap.
Cap. Party after. Repeat. Congratulations. Graduating. Cap.
Congratulations. Graduating. Cap. Yes.
Or baby showers. It's a boy or it's a girl. Baby shower. Party before baby comes.
Baby shower. Gifts for the baby. Gifts.
Gifts. Congratulations on the new baby. New baby.
New baby. Sweet. Key phrases. Baby shower. It's a boy or girl. New baby.
Baby shower. It's a boy or girl. New baby. Adorable.
Now, let's talk about how to ask about celebrations. How do you celebrate your birthday? How do you celebrate?
How do you celebrate? I usually have a family dinner. Family dinner.
Family dinner, or we go on a trip. Trip.
Trip. What traditions do you have? Traditions, customs you always do. Traditions.
Traditions, like singing songs. Songs.
Songs. Repeat. How do you celebrate? Family dinner. Trip. Traditions.
How do you celebrate? family dinner, trip, traditions. Good questions.
In some cultures, big parties for 15th birthday, like quinceañera, quinceañera,
Quinceañera, fancy dress, dress.
dress, or bar mitzvah, bar mitzvah,
Bar mitzvah, coming of age, coming of age.
coming of age, interesting. Keywords, quinceañera, bar mitzvah, coming of age.
Quinceañera, bar mitzvah, coming of age. Global fun.
Now, what if something goes wrong? The cake fell. Cake fell.
Oh no, but it's still tasty, tasty.
Tasty. Haha. Or, I forgot the balloons. Balloons.
Balloons, colorful. No worries, we can improvise. Improvise, make do. Improvise.
Improvise. Positive attitude. Repeat. Cake fell. Tasty. Balloons. Improvise.
Cake fell, tasty, balloons, improvise. Always stay positive.
Exactly. Celebrations are about joy. Joy.
Joy, sharing with friends, friends.
Friends. Now another chat, talking about past birthday.
Hey Lily, how was your last birthday?
Great. I turned 25. Turned 25.
Turned 25. What did you do?
Had a picnic. Picnic.
Picnic with sandwiches, sandwiches.
Sandwiches and games. Games.
Games, sounds relaxing, relaxing.
Relaxing. Key, turned age, picnic, sandwiches, games, relaxing.
Turned age, picnic, sandwiches, games, relaxing. Nice.
What about Valentine's Day? Happy Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day with hearts, hearts.
Hearts. Be my Valentine. Valentine.
Valentine, chocolates, chocolates.
Chocolates. Sweet. Repeat. Happy Valentine's Day. Hearts. Valentine. Chocolates.
Happy Valentine's Day, hearts, Valentine, chocolates, romantic.
Or Independence Day. Happy 4th of July in USA. 4th of July.
4th of July, barbecue, barbecue.
Barbecue. Fireworks again. Fireworks.
Fireworks, patriotic, patriotic.
Patriotic. Key, happy 4th of July, barbecue, fireworks, patriotic.
Happy 4th of July, barbecue, fireworks, patriotic. Boom.
Now let's think about phrases for toasting. To good health. Good health.
To good health, to friendship, friendship.
Friendship. Bottoms up. Bottoms up. Drink it all. Bottoms up.
Bottoms up, haha, carefully. Repeat, to good health, to friendship, bottoms up.
To good health. To friendship. Bottoms up. Cheers.
Cheers. Now wrapping up celebrations. What about farewell parties? Goodbye party. Goodbye.
Goodbye. We'll miss you. Miss you.
Miss you, but happy memories. Memories.
Memories. Key, goodbye party, miss you, memories.
Goodbye party. Miss you. Memories. Bittersweet.
True. Okay, one more role play. Planning a celebration.
Lily, let's plan a party for our friend.
Yes, theme? Theme like pirate or beach. Theme.
Theme. Beach theme. Beach.
Beach. Invitations. Party at 7 p.m. 7 p.m.
7 p.m. Food. Pizza. Pizza.
Pizza. Decorations, balloons and streamers. Streamers.
Streamers. Long paper. Music. Play some tunes. Tunes.
Tunes. Fun. Key, theme, beach, 7 p.m., pizza, streamers, tunes.
Theme, beach, 7 p.m., pizza, streamers, tunes. Planned.
Great. We've covered so much.
Yeah, from birthdays to holidays, phrases like happy birthday, cheers, fireworks, and more.
And repeats to help you remember. Invitations, candles, presents, celebrations, toasts.
Now, quick overview. We talked about saying happy birthday, planning parties with cakes and gifts, other holidays like New Year with resolutions and fireworks, weddings with toasts, and cultural ones like Halloween with costumes. We role-played conversations to make it real life.
Exactly. Practice these at home. Talk to friends, repeat the phrases. You'll get better at real English conversations.
Keep listening, keep practicing. You're doing awesome.
Thanks for joining episode 55. See you next time on Think in English, the podcast.
Bye. Happy celebrating.